The first thing you got to understand about building your personal brand is we all have to gain attention. We are in the attention game. Here's what most people think their competition is, the other real estate agent. It's not. It's you're trying to get people and grab their attention to whatever you're trying to share with them. And if you can't get their attention, it doesn't matter how amazing whatever you do, whatever you say is, because they don't ever see it. They never hear it, and they don't consume it. See, the good and bad news is we can reach everybody right here. The bad news is you're fighting with every little thing that came on over the last weekend. So if you were putting out ads or content, and I have to decide, am I going to watch that funny video? Am I going to click on that sale? Oh, there's a new discount? Somebody else's family? My long-lost friend? Or am I going to click and watch your video about whatever you're talking about? It's attention. And the challenge for many of you is, number one, you don't get attention, but number two, people just don't know you exist.